Well, let's take a peek at coaxial cable. Coaxial cable looks like this, or at least in its construction. You'll see there's an outer jacket, a conducting shield, some dielectric which separates these two conductors here, and then the center conductor. Here it is in the flesh. Here's our center conductor, and then kind of an insulator called the dielectric, and then another conductor for the return signal, and then the outer jacket. So it's fairly simple construction, but you only have those two conductors. That's kind of like one pair of wires, say, on a twisted pair. So with that, you can only achieve simplex or half duplex communication. I can only send data one way at a time. Now I could send it one way and then turn everything around and send it the other way. That would be half duplex, but I cannot get full duplex, that is to say both directions at the same time, with coax cable. I can get around 500 meters, so that's pretty good. That's about 5 times what I can get with twisted pair, and I can put repeaters between them in order to get farther. So our cable companies, both our TV cable and our internet cable companies, tend to use coax cable in order to get the internet to our door. It is capable of a lot of multiplexing, and if you have cable TV, you know that there are a lot of channels that you can tune into, in probably many dozens, if not even more than that, on your coax TV cable, and that's because you can tune into many different channels. So there's a lot of multiplexing going on. And that's it for coax cable. Thank you.